The 2011 Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, HomeLink garage door opener, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, automatic stability control, climate control, trip computer, fog lamps, power windows, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.